Here's how to insert a background image on one page in Word. Inserting a shape with an image fill. Click the View tab. Select one page. Open the Insert tab. Click Shapes. Select a rectangle. Drag the edges of the rectangle to fit the page. Navigate to the Shape Format tab. Select Shape Fill. In the drop-down menu, select Picture. Choose an image from your computer, then click Insert. Right-click the shape and select Format Shape, or navigate to the Format pane in the Shape Format tab. Select the Fill button and check the box next to Tile Picture as Texture. Increase transparency to make the image fainter. Set the outline to No Outline. Right-click the shape and select Wrap Text. Select Behind Text from the text wrapping options. Once you do this, the shape will appear behind your text as a background image. Adding a watermark. Open the Design tab. Click Watermark. Select Custom Watermark. Click Picture Watermark and select your image. Then click Insert to add the watermark. Select Apply, then Close. The watermark will be added to your document. Open the header and select the watermark image. Navigate to the Design tab. Click Watermark. Select Save Selection to Watermark Gallery in the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your new watermark image, then click OK to save it. Remove the watermark. Open the Watermark menu again. Locate your custom watermark in the gallery. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.